Using my laser level DIYers, I've sussed it out for squareness. Now, along there where my finger's pointing, that's a full tile. This will be a full tile here too against that wall, but this room is 5mm outer square. So if I stay away when I start, if I stay away say 7mm, my skirting is about 12, so I've got heaps of play, heaps of room. If I start at about 12 away from the gyprock when I start, and then as I come across, I'll end up a couple of mil off the wall. So I'm doing absolute stuff all cutting, and to any professional tiler out there, he will put his thumb up saying, "That's cool, buddy, you've got stuff all cutting." Okay people, we'll see you soon. Bye.